Hello amigos, my name is Jatin and welcome to my channel TECHYRATORS. This is our next video on RHCSA preparation series and our today's topic is managing LVM, means Logical Volume Manager. So in this video I am showing you how to create logical volume, how to create physical volume, how to create volume groups, and how to extend and reduce them, or you can say how to resize the logical volume managers. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video now. Just open your terminal. Yeah, this is our relay terminal. Let's say first we need to create a partition /dev/vda. We can check we have two partition. If you don't know how to create partition, you need to check previous videos on my channel, so you can learn how to create partition. Or if you don't know, you can watch this video carefully. Just you need to press N and P for primary partition. Again, give the number 3, leave the first sector blank, and in the second sector you need to plus, let's say 1G, enter. So size 1GB created. Now W to save and exit, and now part probe. So we have now created a partition of 1GB. You want to check fdisk-l. Here our partition. We forgot to change one thing. Let's say T third, L to list hex code, 8E, W. We now change the partition type. Let's say when you see this, the first partition type is Linux, second is a swap, and third is a Linux LVM. So for the LVM, Linux LVM using Linux LVM type is a good option. You can do partition with other options, but Linux LVM is made for that. Now we have to create a physical volume first. To create a logical volume, and we need to create first a physical volume. First we are talking about what is the difference between a normal partition and the logical volume. So in the normal partition, when you resize example, when you are extending the size of the partition or reducing the size of the partition, it may have the risk of data loss. But in the LVM, the data loss risk is minimum. So using LVM is preferable in the live systems. Now we are creating physical volumes. For that we have a command pv create and simply the partition name, enter. Excluded by a filter, we have to use the 3, enter. So physical volume is successfully created. You can check with pv display. This shows the size 1GB, allocatable no, and the basic details of your physical volume. Now we have to create a volume group. For volume group we can vg create. So logical volume, to create a logical volume we need a volume group, and for the volume group we need a physical volume. So we are going step by step. First we create a physical volume, now a volume group. So for volume group we can set some parameters like the block size -s, and the block size, let's say 8 MB. So by default block size is, I think it's 4 MB. So if you want to modify, or you can give a specific block, then you can specify with S and space the size of the volume volume block, and then simply the name of the volume group and the partition VDA1, enter. Oh, we need to use VDA3. Okay, so volume group successfully created. Now if you check my VG display, you see the physical extent size is 8 MB, we have set it, and the VG size is 1016 MB. So by default 1 GB means 1024, so divided by this we get the number 1016 that is divisible by 8. Now you can also give a by default size. Let's say first VG remove VG1 and simply VG create VG1. Oh, we just removed it once again by mistake. Yes, so by default size is 4 MB. So you see what's the use of the S command. You can specify a physical extent size of your choice. Now going toward the LV create, LV, that is to create a logical volume. In this we have two options like hyphen capital L, so you can simply specify it 100 MB, say /dev /vg1 hyphen n to give a specific name, let's say LV1, enter. Name expected no slash. Okay, SDA, dev, enter. Yeah, LV created. Now LV display, the size of the LV is 100 MB, physical extent is 25 divided by 4 is 100 simply. And talking about another option you can use with the same, let's say hyphen small l. With this you can, in a hyphen small l you have to give the extent, like you give 20, so the default size is 4 MB, and the 20 into 4 means you get this 80, and without an option it's just give a by default name L volume 0 and LV display. You see /dev /vg1 /lv0 with 20 extents and 80 MB total. So this is about how you can create simple logical volume by first creating physical volume and volume groups, and now the logical one. And I'm now showing you how to extend or how to resize, how to reduce the size of a particular LVM or particular LV. So first create a file system mkfs dot, let's say xfs /dev /vg1 /lv1, enter. blkid, so we have lv1 with ipxfs. now let's mkdir lvm, you have to mount it. I'm showing you the way, simply vi /etc /fs tab. So I'll also shows the same method to mount a partition in the previous video, but I'm showing you again, so just watch /dev /mapper vg1 hyphen lv1 slash root slash lvm and the xfs defaults 00 back mount hyphen a df hyphen h. So our logical volume is mounted. Simply, let's say if you want to resize this particular logical volume, for that we need to unmount it first. You mount let's say you mount LVM, enter df-h. So now we need to extend the our logical volume of 100 MB to 150 MB. Let's say for that lv extend hyphen l 150 MB slash dev slash vg1 slash lv1, enter. Size to boundary physical extend 152, new size 38 extend, matching size 38 extend. Let's lv display. So in lv display we have the 152 MB extend. Now df-h, the extent is not mounted. Mount hyphen a df-h. So simply you see we have extended the volume from 100 MB to 152 MB, but it showing 95 MB. That's because we also need to resize the file system. For that we have a command resize to fs slash dev slash vg1 slash lv1, enter. Magic number. So resize to fs is for the ext4 file system. For the xfs file system we have grow fs. We can check apropos fs. Apropos command is used to find a particular command with a particular string, let's say. And for the extending file system we have xfs grow fs, xfs underscore grow fs slash dev slash vg1 slash lv1, enter. Mounted xfs file system. So mount it first. Let's mount a yes df-h. Now you see the size increased to 147 MB. So this is how you can extend a particular LVM, or you can also extend hyphen r hyphen l 200 MB slash dev slash vg1 slash lv1, enter. You see, with the using hyphen r option, the file system automatically extended. Now you can simply with the same command you can lv reduce hyphen l, so mb, use hyphen r option also, dev slash vg1 slash lv1, so it's showing that XFS file system shrinking is unsupported. Okay, so I forgot about that. Now let's say if you want to extend it first, let's say if you want to extend it for more than let's say 2000 MB, let's say 1 GB, enter. Insufficient free space, 206 access needed but only 185 available, means your VG has only 1 GB size and the remaining is 740 MB is remaining free size, you can say that. So let's say if you want to extend it also, for that you need to create an L /tab /VG VDA, enter, and you need to create another partition E, let's say plus 1 GB again, and give this to 8E. Okay, we have created a also forgot about that. We can also use it as a Linux LVM. W part probe. Okay, now we need to pv create /dev /vda4 vg extend vg1 /dev /sda4 vda4 vg display size increases to 2 GB. Now you can use the same command and you see df-h, the size extended to 1019 MB. So this is how you can create LVM, resize and resize the LVM in the Linux operating system, especially in RHEL operating system. So this is all about the LVM. Here we can wrap up this video. This is all about the logical volume manager. I can show about, let's say, a recap. I will show you how to create PV physical volume, how to create first volume groups and how to extend volume groups, how to create logical volume and how to extend logical volume. So this is all about this video. We can meet you in the next video. So for now, bye bye and take care.